Today we're making a pineapple papaya slushy. So I'm going to start off by cutting the papaya down the middle and chopping up into small cubes. And then I'm going to chop up the pineapple in small cubes. Papaya is really good for you, both papaya and pineapple. Papaya has antioxidants in it, and it also is a good immune booster. It is good for thinning blood, so it's good for women when they have their menstrual. It's also good for your eyes, and it also aids in digestion, along with other things. So now we're going to take off the peeling in the back, the skin of the papaya. We're going to now remove the head of the pineapple, and we're going to remove all the skin and chop the pineapple up into cubes. Pineapple is really good for you. It's full of vitamin C and antioxidants, and it's good for your eyes, your bones, and it's also good for the immune system. Pineapple is a very versatile fruit. Not only can you make drinks with it, but you can also cook with it. The peel of the pineapple is very important also because you can take it and boil it, and you can use it as a detox drink. Okay, so we're going to put half of the papaya. This papaya looks so delicious. So we're going to just put, no, we're not going to put the whole. Okay, so we put the papaya in now. So now we're going to add the ice, and we're going to add some water. This one. And that's two. Look how delicious that is. Well, guys, this is my solution to cool off any warm day. So thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.